Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Remove the four 2.5mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink to the top cover. Lift the heatsink off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal pad should be replaced. The thermal pad should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Place the heatsink onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the four 2.5mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink to the top cover.